Hello everyone, this is Jeb Hamburger from goldstocktrades.com. This is the week ending July 13th, 2012. We're going to look at a few charts today showing some important technical readings. The first chart we're going to look at is the SLV, the iShares Silver Trust ETF, which is the most liquid and most actively traded ETF that tracks the silver price. We're seeing that it's holding key 2011 lows here at the $26 mark. It broke below that, but again it closed above at the last close was 26.45, so it held that critical mark on the SLV, and we see that it's coming to a strong area of trend support. It's very oversold on the RSI. We're seeing some fundamentals that's supporting a reversal. In the price of silver, we're seeing several major mines coming under threats of resource nationalism in Argentina. We saw Pan American Silver with their Navidad project, in the issues with the rising taxes. We saw South American Silver, Bolivia, Evo Morales nationalized one of the largest undeveloped silver projects. And we're seeing Peru and Mexico having problems of its own. So silver supply is very limited, and the demand, we believe, is increasing as investors look for safe havens outside of the dollar and treasuries, which is currently extremely overbought. So with silver, we're looking to see if it breaks above the 50-day moving average, which is at 27.22 on the SLV. But the real break will be at that 200-day moving average and that overhead resistance that's coming down. That's almost overlapping the 200-day moving average, which is right now, or 40-week moving average, which is $30.24. So we're looking to see if there'll be a reversal in silver, and there are some fundamentals that are currently supporting that at GLD. And despite this week where there was fears that there'd be no QE3, we saw gold close up higher on the week, and we're seeing a lot of support coming in at the 150 area on the GLD and about the 1550 area on the gold price. And this is right with the area where it broke out in the summer of 2011. So it's pulled back right to that area, and we're seeing support coming in the GLD. We're looking for a break of the 10-week moving average, which is at 154.65, and then a break of this declining trend line, which converges close to the 40-week moving average or the 200-day around 161.34. So we're looking for GLD is holding that support, and eventually we're looking for a break and a resumption of the upward trend. Weekly chart on the UUP, the US dollar ETF, we see that it still is in a long-term downtrend from 2008. After we've seen QE1, QE2, all the fiscal stimulus and all the European stimulus and printing. The dollar is still in a downtrend, and it's coming up to key resistance levels where we may see a resumption of that downtrend. So gold and silver are reaching key support levels, while the dollar is short-term very overbought and coming into some long-term resistance areas where we may see some downward reversals. So stay tuned. Have a great week.